Hey everyone, this is a guide to set this Earnshaw that I have. A couple of requests from the stores that I deal with to set. This guy is a day, date, month automatic from Earnshaw. It has the pushers to adjust the this particular guy are flush mounted, so you need some sort of push piece device. I'm using my 1mm screwdriver for this one. So we get on the right 12 hour by changing the main time using the crown, keeping note of the 12 hour at 6 o'clock, and we'll see it go through, tick everything over. Days just ticked over, so we'll set the right time. What do we, like that. Using the push piece like that, we push in a long way. It's probably 2mm is the total movement for this guy. So we'll bust out January, we'll go down to this 4 o'clock pusher, change it all the way to the 10th, swap this pusher over here to change the day, Monday, Tuesday, what's today? Wednesday. And there we are, all set, all done, ready to go.